Pakistan currently ranks among the most water-stressed nations on Earth. Its major urban centers are struggling to accommodate rapid population growth, which has outpaced the capacity of municipal civic planners. Beneath these crowded streets lies a decaying water infrastructure. Aging pipelines, laid decades ago, cannot support the density of the modern metropolis. The result is a contaminated supply. Unregulated industrial effluents and untreated sewage seep into the groundwater table, leaching directly into those compromised municipal pipes. This unchecked expansion has made the city's most basic resource, tap water, a daily invisible hazard for millions of urban residents. This infrastructure failure has severe medical consequences. Waterborne diseases like typhoid, cholera, and hepatitis A are rampant in urban neighborhoods, serving as leading causes of hospitalization for children and the elderly. Knowing that the tap water is unsafe, residents turn to informal vendors to secure enough water for their daily survival. These supply chains operate without quality guarantees. Families are trapped in a cycle where purchased water carries the same pathogens as the supply they try to avoid. The lack of reliable municipal services has created a massive public health vacuum, one that the government is currently failing to address. Gill Corporation entered this sector under the direction of CEO Azhar Amin Gill. He operates on the conviction that clean drinking water is a fundamental human right, rather than a luxury commodity. Mr. Gill established the organization as a social enterprise. His strategic directives prioritize measurable public health outcomes over immediate financial returns. Instead of focusing on affluent districts, the corporation identifies densely populated urban zones with the highest rates of disease and installs filtration plants there first. This model suggests that private entities step into public sector voids to provide essential services to vulnerable populations without exploiting them. The technical solution involves community-scaled reverse osmosis systems. These systems use high-pressure pumps to force water through a semi-permeable membrane. The barrier acts as a microscopic sieve, removing 99% of dissolved salts, heavy metals, and viruses from the supply. While effective, industrial filtration often creates new environmental problems, such as high energy consumption and the discharge of toxic brine back into local water bodies. To mitigate this, Mr. Gill mandated the use of energy-efficient pumps and a policy of zero untreated effluent discharge. This ensures that the process of cleaning the water does not further contaminate the surrounding environment. A public health intervention fails if its technological byproduct damages the ecosystem it is meant to protect. Technology alone cannot solve the crisis if the end user lacks the information needed to maintain water safety at home. To address this, Gill Corporation conducts community awareness campaigns. These focus on safe household storage, proper hand-washing techniques, and identifying source water contamination. The corporation also partners with local schools to integrate water safety education into the youth learning environment. Achieving water security requires engineering both the physical infrastructure and the human behaviors surrounding it. The data shows a direct correlation between these plant installations and a measurable drop in local disease rates. In neighborhoods served by these systems, hospitalizations for waterborne illnesses decline rapidly. This improvement in health has secondary economic benefits. Families face fewer medical expenses, and workers remain more productive when they are not sidelined by preventable illness. Solving the baseline water crisis acts as a multiplier, strengthening the overall economic resilience of the community. This model provides a reference point for how corporate social responsibility can function in developing nations. Mr. Azhar Amin Gill has shown that a private corporation can remain sustainable while delivering essential public health services. The corporation now plans to scale this model, moving from urban centers into rural Pakistan to address water contamination challenges that are often even more severe. By combining technical precision with community education, Gill Corporation is demonstrating a practical method for addressing Pakistan's water safety crisis, one neighborhood at a time.